Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to accept invite on the Discord application. So let's get started right away. If you're using the Discord application and you're trying to join any group or channel, then the only way to do this is to tap on its invite link. But once you tap on the link, if you get an error telling you that it is unable to accept your invite, then there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. The first thing to check is to see whether you have the correct invite link to join the channel or group. So make sure that you have the correct invite link, and if you don't, then ask for the correct one. Also, the invite link might sometimes be expired, so ask the provider to renew the link. If the link is still not expired and usable, but the Discord application still cannot accept your invite, then check for the update as well. Open up your iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and search for Discord. Once you find the application, if you see an update button, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. After installing your update, tap on the open button and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, one final thing to try is to long press on your Discord application and tap on Info. From the Info page, tap on the Force Stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application, and once it is stopped, you can tap on Storage. From the Storage page, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right first and see if this resolves your issue. If that one still doesn't help, then tap on Clear Data too and press the Delete button to proceed with deleting your user data for Discord. After deleting your data, open up the Discord application once again and you will be asked to log in to your account. After logging in, you will notice that the error has now been fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix unable to accept invite error on the Discord application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.